In this video, we will go over the note added workflow trigger. So this activates a workflow when a note is attached to a contact. So to initiate this process, we're going to click on add new workflow trigger, type in note, and you will see note added. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. You can leave this how it is and save the trigger. So anytime a note is added to a contact, this workflow will trigger and then your follow-up sequence will go through. If you would like to add additional filters though, you can click on add filters, click on this drop down, and you can select either doesn't have tag or has tag. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use has tag, and then you can select a tag from the drop down. So for example, I want to be notified anytime a note was added to a contact and they have a tag of Google Ads lead. So with that, I would put in my Google Ads lead tag here. And then once you have that filled in, just make sure you're clicking on save trigger here. You will see your trigger added to your workflow. And then just make sure you're clicking on the blue save button up here in the top right corner to save your workflow as well.